Hi, this is Mark Bailey at Angel Trumpet Nursery. Today we're going to be cleaning and sterilizing pots. There's a couple reasons for doing that. The first one is you don't want to carry diseases or fungus over from one year to the next. That can wipe out your plants. Another one is insects. You don't want to carry over any insects or insect eggs over from one year to the next. It's a couple step process. It's very simple. First one is that we got to wash it. The second one is that we're going to sterilize it. But come on along and I'll show you how we do it here at Angel Trumpet Nursery. And here we go. We've got our tote here filled with some soapy water, and got some soap here, and got our bristle brush. The thing about this process is if you don't get your potting mix off, you're not going to be able to sterilize the pot. Yeah, just give it a good scrub there. Scrub that inside out. And then come over here, once you've washed the potting mix off, now that pot looks clean, but we've knocked the potting mix off. However, it still needs to be sterilized. Okay, so we got most of the dirt knocked off, cleaned off, and now we're going to put them in a 10% solution of bleach. And this same tote works great for smaller pots. There we go. We've got the pot soaking in the 10% bleach solution. It's completely covering the pots. I've moved around quite a bit to make sure solution's gotten all in between the pots. And I'm going to let them sit in there for 20 minutes. Okay, so now they've soaked in the bleach for 20 minutes and we've moved them out of the bleach. Now we're going to rinse them with fresh, clean water. I'm going to let them soak in that just for a little bit, just to make sure the bleach is off of them. Got them covered in clean, fresh water there. Going to let them soak just for a few minutes, but they are ready to go now. This is how we clean larger pots. In this drum right here, got some larger pots there. Probably got about 40 pots in there. That drum, of course, has got the bleach solution in there. Now that's a rinse drum there. That one's got plain water. Gonna let this one soak for 20 minutes. Pull it out of here, rinse it in there. Yeah, they're good and covered in the bleach. So we got some of them in the rinse bucket here, letting them sit there for just a couple minutes to rinse off, get that bleach off of them. Well, here they are, all clean. They look pretty good. There's a big difference between what they look like to begin with and now. This one right here, look at that. These are ready to go. Hope you've enjoyed this video and you've learned something. If you've liked this video, click like on there. Thank you and have a great day.